Is this bad luck or is it karma? You're riding the right way, following the rules. Then someone crashes into you and still has the nerve to start a fight.
Seriously?
What?
Seriously?
You hit me.
Do you know what a bike lane is? You're using a bike lane. What are you doing in front of me?
You just hit me.
Man, shut the f*** up.
You hit me from behind.
I didn't hit you from behind.
What's happened to your mirror?
And how did I hit you from behind? My mirror's in.
There's
How did I hit you from behind? My mirror's in. How did I hit you from behind? My mirror's in. Go f*** yourself.
You know what really happens sometimes? When someone drinks way too much, all the emotions come out. She wants to fight with her boyfriend, but he's not there, or she can't face him. So the anger has to go somewhere. And sadly, it lands on a complete stranger. Someone who had nothing to do with the fight, nothing to do with the pain. That's how alcohol turns personal frustration into public chaos.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
When a lesson comes with tears, people tend to remember it for a long time, and hopefully it leads to better choices down the road.
Against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that, spitting slow, speaking fast. I could roast, I could gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness, hilarious. You think you're worth my time, you're delirious, mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior, inferior. You know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
This clip is a good reminder. Speed plus no distance is a dangerous combination.